You've got 8,000. Would you like to set your safety net at 16,000?
No, I think I can go a little bit further.
Marvellous. This is the question then, for £16,000. I can hear people coughing. You're supposed to cough after the question's been asked in such a way that Lynn can use it as a not just cough constantly before I've asked the question. You better? Oh, I don't care, I just want... Here comes the question.